Hi everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen. Today we're making an Asian-inspired honey garlic chicken served over rice. You can make it with chicken thighs or chicken breasts, but the thighs always turn out much more tender and juicy. You'll start by cutting off any excess fat from your boneless, skinless chicken thighs if you prefer. You'll want 6 to 8 thighs for this recipe, or 1 pound if you're using chicken breast. Toss the chicken in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, some seasonings. I use salt and pepper, and toss those really well until your chicken's fully coated. The cornstarch will help get the chicken nice and crispy while cooking. Once those are coated, set the chicken aside and grab your ingredients for the sauce. In a small bowl, you're going to mix together 1/3 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a few cloves of minced garlic. Stir that all together and set aside while you cook the chicken. In a large skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and heat to medium-high. Add in your chicken and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side. Flip and cook an additional 2 to 3 minutes on the other. Next, you'll reduce the heat to medium. Add in a tablespoon of butter, and I like to add in a little extra garlic here as well. Let that melt for about a minute. Then pour in the delicious sauce mixture. Bring the sauce to a boil and immediately reduce the heat to a simmer. You'll want it to simmer for a good 5 minutes or so to let the sauce thicken and to finish cooking the chicken. Make sure you temp the chicken. You'll know it's done when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees and the inside's no longer pink. If the chicken ends up cooking before your sauce thickens, you can remove the chicken from the heat first. You want the sauce to be pretty thick, so be patient. Continue heating the sauce until reduced and thickened. When your sauce is ready, you can pour it over the chicken and serve with your favorite rice. We typically serve this dish with jasmine rice. You can make your own using a rice cooker or make it super easy by using minute rice or those 90-second rice packets. This Asian-inspired dish is so easy to make and filled with flavor. This smells absolutely amazing. I hope you all love it as much as we do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Enjoy!